Brittany Diamond is a prominent figure in the world of female bodybuilding, known for her impressive physique and dedication to the sport. She has made significant strides in competitive bodybuilding, showcasing her strength and athleticism on various platforms. Brittany's journey began with a passion for fitness, leading her to pursue bodybuilding as a way to challenge herself and achieve her goals. Her training regimen focuses on building muscle mass while maintaining a balanced approach to nutrition, which she emphasizes as a crucial for success in bodybuilding. Brittany participates in competitions where she demonstrates not only her physical prowess but also her commitment to the sport's discipline and artistry. Beyond competitions, Brittany is an advocate for women in fitness, encouraging others to embrace their strength and pursue their fitness aspirations. She actively shares her journey on social media, inspiring many with her transformation and achievements. As she continues to compete and grow her influence, Brittany Diamond stands out as a role model for aspiring female bodybuilders, embodying resilience, strength, and dedication in the fitness community.